Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs for kittens. Before you begin, always prioritize your kitten's safety and health. Only offer plain, thoroughly cooked eggs, completely free of any seasonings, salt, or butter. Raw eggs can contain salmonella, which is harmful to your tiny feline friend. It is always a good idea to consult your veterinarian before introducing any new foods into your kitten's diet, ensuring it is appropriate for their specific needs. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Take one large, fresh egg and crack it into a small, clean bowl. Using a fork or a small whisk, beat the egg thoroughly until the yolk and white are completely combined and uniform in color. Remember, for kittens, we want the egg to be as pure as possible, so do not add any milk, water, or other liquids to the mixture. With your egg whisked, it's time to cook. Place a small non-stick pan on your stovetop and heat it over very low heat. Pour the whisked egg into the warm pan. Gently scramble the egg, stirring continuously until it is fully cooked through and firm, with no runny parts. Once cooked, remove the egg from the heat and break it into very small, bite-sized pieces, no larger than a pea, for your kitten to easily manage. Finally, serving your kitten their special treat. It is crucial to let the cooked egg cool completely to room temperature before offering it. Kittens have sensitive mouths, and hot food can cause burns. Offer only a very small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 full teaspoon, as an occasional treat. Scrambled eggs should never replace their regular kitten food. Discard any uneaten portions after about 10 minutes to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.